The TWA Hotel is located at JFK Airport in New York City. It opened in 2019 and is located at the former TWA terminal at the airport, which originally opened in 1962, but has been closed since 2001. The TWA Hotel has 512 rooms, many that overlook the JetBlue Runway, plus a conference space, restaurants, and an aviation history museum. Although located at the airport, it is outside security, so you must leave the airport to stay there. All right, we just got here to the TWA Hotel. We decided because we had a couple extra hours at the airport, we were going to check this out because they do hourly check-ins. It's at JFK, and it's the old TWA wing. So just to give you a view, it's an actual hotel room. I mean, you can do overnight stays or you can do minimum 4 hours. So we had to drop some people off at the airport this morning, and our flight's not for about 5 or 6 or 7 hours or something. So this is the room with the view. So this is the view you get. Pretty sure people over there could see us if there were people right there. So here is a TWA plane out here, which is pretty cool. I think we could probably go out and look at that. Overall, it's pretty cool. Just a good place to stop if you're at JFK. The reason we wanted to stay there is because they have both overnight and hourly stays with a minimum of 4 hours. We had to drop a friend off at the airport for an 8 a.m. flight, and ours didn't leave till 3 p.m., which made it a perfect resting place in between. The hotel also has a rooftop swimming pool, although you have to pay extra for access, even if you're staying at the hotel. It also has a really nice fitness center, but that is also an extra fee. You can also find plenty of places to eat within the hotel as well. The terminal was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 2005. If you have some extra time at JFK Airport, I highly recommend staying at the TWA Hotel at least once, just to see it, because it's really a cool old piece of history.